Imagine this. You've just splurged on a brand new Toyota, spending what could have been a dream getaway, all because you trust the brand's legendary reliability. You drive off the lot, basking in that new car smell, feeling confident in your choice. Then, a week later, you check the latest JD Power rankings, only to find Toyota isn't at the top anymore. The king of dependability has been dethroned. And who's wearing the crown? None other than its own luxury cousin, Lexus. That gleaming emblem says it all, doesn't it? But don't panic just yet. The truth is, four automakers, Lexus, Subaru, Mazda, and Honda, are now outperforming Toyota at its own game. Welcome to Globally Cars. Our analytics show 80% of viewers enjoy our content without subscribing. Your support inspires for better videos. Let's break down how they're doing it. Lexus is a fascinating contradiction. It shares Toyota's bones, same platforms, parts, and factories, yet somehow it outshines its parent brand in reliability. Think of it like the younger sibling who not only mastered the family craft, but added their own flair. In the latest JD Power Vehicle Dependability Study, Lexus claimed the top spot with just 140 problems per 100 vehicles, while Toyota trailed slightly at 162 pp100. But the advantages don't stop at numbers. 5 years down the road, a Lexus holds its value like a Swiss bank account. According to Kelley Blue Book, it was named the best luxury brand for resale value in 2025, meaning more cash in your pocket when it's time to upgrade. Then there's the ownership experience. Walk into a Lexus dealership, and you're greeted with artisan coffee and a customer satisfaction score of 897 out of 1,000 per JD Power. Toyota does well, but Lexus treats you like royalty, sometimes even handing you a loaner car before you finish saying oil change. Worried about costs? Lexus proves that luxury doesn't always mean financial pain. 30 more per year than Toyota's 440. In exchange, you get a longer warranty, 4 years, 50,000 miles, and an interior wrapped in real leather, not budget plastics. Of course, there are trade-offs. Those premium materials and advanced tech can mean pricier fixes when something breaks. And if you crave raw driving excitement, like Toyota's GR86, a Lexus might feel too refined. If low-cost maintenance and sporty thrills are your priority, stick with Toyota. But if you want Toyota's legendary reliability wrapped in luxury, silence, and white-glove service, Lexus is the upgrade you deserve. The throne stays in the family. It just got a lot shinier. Forget fair-weather driving. Subaru thrives where the roads get rough. While luxury brands like Lexus dominate in comfort, Subaru earns its stripes when the snow starts flying and the temperatures plummet. This isn't about eco-friendly commuting. It's about pure, unstoppable traction. And the proof? Subaru just snatched the #1 spot in Consumer Reports' latest reliability rankings, leaving even Lexus and Toyota in its snowy wake. Toyota took bronze. So how does a brand known for adventurous spirits outshine the reliability giants? Boxer engine magic. Subaru's horizontally opposed engine sits low in the chassis, giving its cars a rock-solid center of gravity. While a RAV4 might fishtail, a Forester or Outback grips the road like it's magnetized. Symmetrical all-wheel drive, standard on every model. The system doesn't just react, it anticipates, distributing power seamlessly so the tires stick like glue before you even sense slippage. Safety that's battle-tested. Since 2013, Subaru has racked up 71 IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus awards, more than any other brand. It's like having a built-in rescue squad when black ice or a rogue crosswind tries to take you out. If you need a car that laughs at blizzards, mud, and mountain passes, Subaru is the reliable beast that won't let you down. Toyota may rule the suburbs, but Subaru owns the wild. Think you have to choose between fun behind the wheel and trouble-free ownership? Mazda proves you can have both. While Subaru dominates in snow and Lexus pampers with luxury, Mazda delivers something just as rare, a car that excites your senses without haunting your mechanic. In the latest JD Power Vehicle Dependability Study, Mazda scored 161 problems per 100 vehicles, beating Toyota by a single point. A slim margin? Maybe. But in the reliability race, the podium is the podium. Instead of cramming in turbochargers or complicated hybrids, Mazda's engineers focused on precision. Their high-compression, ultra-efficient engines mean fewer parts to break. And a side effect you'll love: rev-happy performance that feels alive. The MX-5 Miata proves you don't need 300-plus horsepower to ignite your pulse, just 184 perfectly tuned ponies, and a chassis that dances through corners. Even family-friendly models like the CX-5 and Mazda 3 deliver responsive handling while keeping maintenance costs on par with Toyota. Ownership that won't break the bank. Annual repair costs, just $447 to $462, basically tied with Toyota fewer major issues. Only 10% of Mazda repairs are severe, compared to Toyota's 12% step inside a CX-30 or Mazda 6. And you'll find soft leather, real aluminum trim, and intuitive controls. Not a sea of cheap plastics or distracting touchscreens. Mazda believes in less but better, a refreshing contrast to Toyota's more but sometimes messier approach. They say a Honda doesn't die, it just gets passed down. While other brands brag about luxury or off-road prowess, Honda quietly racks up 200,000-plus miles like it's nothing. The proof? Open any Honda forum, and you'll find owners casually posting odometer shots well past the $250,000 mark. Honda Accord. The brand's flagship sedan holds a stellar 4.55 out of 5 reliability rating from Consumer Reports. It's the kind of car that outlasts car payments, relationships, and maybe even your mortgage. Honda Civic. With average annual maintenance costs of just $368, owning one feels like routine upkeep rather than constant repairs. Cheaper than detailing a mid-tier sedan. 2024 CR-V, whether gas or hybrid, it aced 5-star NHTSA safety ratings, wrapping your family in a built-in bodyguard that never clocks out. Honda's 1.5-liter turbo engine had early issues with oil dilution, where fuel mixed into the oil, sparking forum meltdowns. The company issued fixes and extended warranties, but if you're buying used, double-check the repair history. If you want a car that won't surprise you, except by how rarely it breaks, Honda is the gold standard. It's not flashy, but it's the closest thing to automotive immortality. Boring? Maybe. Unstoppable? Absolutely. Toyota may still wear the crown in sales, but the latest rankings prove its grip on reliability is slipping. 4 rivals have carved their own paths to durability, each offering something Toyota can't match. So where does true peace of mind live today? And what does it cost you? Let's break it down. Number 1. Lexus. A 5-star hotel on wheels, blending Toyota's toughness with white glove service and longer warranties. Number 2. Subaru. The all-weather warrior, built to conquer blizzards and crash tests, while loyal owners clock 300,000 miles. Number 3. Mazda. Driving pleasure meets bulletproof engineering, proving fun and frugality aren't mutually exclusive. Number 4. Honda. The half-million-mile workhorse, where maintenance feels optional and resale value never quits. Toyota still dominates dealership lots. But reliability isn't a lifetime title. It's a yearly battle. The real question isn't which brand is best. It's which one fits your life and budget long after the warranty expires.